Hello guys and welcome to the How To channel. In today's video we're going to see how to create a caricature on ChatGPT. First, in this case we're going to use this image, is an dog image, and then we're going to click on add files and more. And here we have all of these options. In this case we're going to click on generate or create image, and then we have below all of these templates or styles of the photos that we can create or generate. In this case, we're going to describe what we want. In this case is a caricature. So we're going to text or prompt here, change or generate a caricature of this dog image. And then we're going to click on submit. And next, we're going to wait till the ChatGPT generates all of the image. And this is the result. And that's it.